Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Bodesty Kitchen. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I make this delicious fried yam. Man, this food has I've been craving for it for a long time, and I decided to make it today, and it came out nice. So the first thing you need to do is get your yam. This yam, I had it in my kitchen. I've used part of it before, so I'm still going to take part of it and keep the remaining one. So the first thing you do is cut off the parts you need and then peel the back off. So be careful while peeling so you don't slice your hand with the yam. That will not be nice. And for most of us, this yam, there are a lot of recipes you can make from this yam, from pounded yam to yam porridge. So a lot, yam balls, yamarita, name it. But today I'm making fried yam, popularly known as dundun in Nigeria. This recipe has been saving life for ages because it's a popular street food. When you go on the street in the morning, in the evening, people sell it, especially those people that sell akara. So after peeling it, you're going to cut it into tiny bits so that it can quicken the cooking, or rather the frying process. So you see the way I'm doing it, just slice it, not too tiny, not too big, but it should be just medium slices. After slicing it, you're going to go on to wash it, but now I'm still slicing. Meanwhile, I have a question. Oh, how many of us have tried yam? How many of us have seen yam before? I know if you grow up in Nigeria, if you're living in Nigeria, Africa, or if you visit the African store regularly, I know you must have seen yam. Kindly tell me the recipe you've made with yam and how it went. I'll be listening, or I'll be reading from the comment section. So I'm still slicing it into tiny bits. See this one I saw in the water, it's still big. So I'm done. The next thing I'm going to do is going to wash it. So I finished washing it here, and then I'm sprinkling some salt. So when I sprinkle the salt, the next thing I'm going to mix everything together. You see the way I'm flipping it. This will enable the salt to mix into the yam properly, and then after this stage, we don't have so much to do for this recipe. It's quite easy and interesting, and you know what, it's absolutely delicious. So in a pan I added vegetable oil. If you don't want to do this method, you can also use air fryer. For this recipe, but I just want it the local way. I just wanted the traditional recipe, the original way. And you see me throwing in some onions into the oil for flavor. Now the oil is hot, time to add the yam. So you just slide it in as gently as you can because the oil is hot and you need to be careful. After that, you just fry it on both sides for a couple of minutes, and there we have it. The yam is fully cooked, soft, crunchy on the outside, absolutely delicious. This yam like this, people eat it with beans. Some people eat it with just pepper and salt. Some people eat it with just. For me, I'm just going to eat mine with this tomato sauce I made. Yum, absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this recipe interesting, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.